Hi everybody, it's Hailey, and today I am going to be remaking my most popular dessert ever. It's called pumpkin dump cake. This is actually a recipe that I got from my Uncle Todd, and I made this I think 3 years ago when I was first starting my YouTube channel, and it was extremely popular for some reason. It actually wasn't super popular at first, but it became more popular. Oh, I know the reason, because it's super good, duh. But yeah, it's a really delicious recipe, and it's super great too because it's very easy. You mix everything in one bowl and you just pour it into a pan. You don't have to like mess with pie crust, and you know, when you're busy cooking for Thanksgiving, this is a great dessert to make. Anyway, today we are making the pumpkin dump cake, but with a twist. So many people have commented on that video and told me that I should try to make it with a spice cake mix or with like a carrot cake mix or something else. And they were actually out of spice cake mix and carrot cake mix at the store. But guess what I got? Cinnamon Toast Crunch mix. I don't know if this is gonna be any good, but that's the reason I'm here to test it. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's gotta be cinnamon in the cake, and that's my main goal. Anyway, I'm so excited to bake this with you, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and let's get started. So, we're literally just gonna combine all the ingredients. First, I've got a 29-ounce can of pumpkin, and you just want, just the pumpkin, not pumpkin filling. Yeah, come out. Ooh, pumpkin. If I remember correctly, the reason I originally made this is because it was the pandemic, and normally we would go see our family and they would cook lots of great food and desserts such as this one, and we couldn't, so I made it at home. And then I have one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Ooh, maybe it'll just come out. Recycle your cans if you can. Then we're adding 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and 3 whole eggs. All right, and we're just gonna mix that all together. Okay, I'm done mixing that together. I have a 9x13 glass dish here, and I'm going to oil it. And we're gonna pour all of that mixture into the pan. Whoa! Oh, by the way, this is a 16-ounce cake mix. You can also, they used to be 15 ounces. Maybe they're 16 ounces now. Either one is fine. Then we're going to put the cake mix on top. Want it to cover the whole thing. Shouldn't be hard because it's pretty thick. My pecans, sprinkle them evenly over the top. And then I'm gonna add some chopped pecans that I have over here. These are optional if you're allergic to nuts. And then I'm gonna pour 3/4 cup of melted butter on top. Okay. Okay, and we're ready to bake this. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna bake this for 30 to 45 minutes until it's nice and golden. You'll probably wanna check it at 30 minutes and see if you need to cover it if it's getting too brown. Yay! Alright, the pumpkin dump cake is done. It's fresh out of the oven and we're going to try it. I'm very interested to see how this turned out. Oh, also I baked mine for 40 minutes. Oh, also before we try it, a lot of people in the comments said that they were going to try to make this, but they were going to put vanilla ice cream or whipped cream on top, which sounds amazing. So I have whipped cream. Beautiful. That actually tastes so good. So apparently you can make this recipe with any cake mix you want and it'll turn out good. I don't know about any cake mix, but definitely let me know if you try any other cake mixes, and I would love to know if you make this recipe. I love reading all your comments saying that you like the recipes. They always make my day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and click the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Thanksgiving. Oh, my voice.